Hi, this is attorney David Henn. Sometimes bikers are involved in accidents and they get knocked over or even thrown from their motorcycles. And when they hit the ground, their head is spared because they're wearing a helmet at the time they're riding. And their loved ones greet them with the greeting that you were lucky you were wearing a helmet. And it's true. They were. They were fortunate that the helmet was there to protect them against a worse head injury. But it's more than likely that the biker did not escape the accident free of a brain injury. In fact, a traumatic brain injury, or a TBI, in the form of a concussion, may not surface for days or even weeks after an accident. So if you're involved in an accident and you or the loved one who is involved in the collision begin to display signs that are unusual for them, such as headaches or dizziness, a fogginess in their mind, difficulty developing words or putting sentences together, a sensitivity to light, sensitivity to noise, sometimes even nausea or vomiting. Sometimes they complain of seeing stars or seeing floaters in their eyes. They'll look down at a book or a page that they're reading and they'll have the sensation of seeing ants or debris moving across the page. These are all signs that the person has suffered a traumatic brain injury, TBI, typically in the form of a concussion. And it's important that that person seek medical attention very quickly so that the concussion can be diagnosed and a treatment program can be put together to address the concerns. What we've gained from the knowledge that the NFL has developed by all of its studies is that once you've sustained one concussion, the next one most likely is going to be worse. So it's important that treatment be received immediately and that the concussion be diagnosed so it can be properly addressed, and that the biker can get the care they need so they can proceed forward safely to the best recovery they can gain. But as always, stay safe, enjoy the ride. We'll talk again later.